Hello student, today we are going to learn general consideration in machine design under design of machine elements. Number 1, purpose. Design the machine to perform its job effectively and efficiently. Design the machine to do its job well, quickly and reliably or without change. Maintain a high level of quality or performance over time. Make sure the work for its specific purpose and fit the environment it will be used in. Number 2, strength. Make the machine strong enough to handle stresses and loads. Make the machine handle stress and heavy load without breaking. Built-in safety feature to prevent problem from unexpected situation or overuses. Number 3, safety. Add features to protect user and prevent accident. Add features to protect user and reduce accident. Follow safety rules and regulations for the industry. Number 4, material. Select durable and cost-effective materials suited for the task. Use strong and long-lasting material that fit the machine's job. Think about factors like weight, cost, rust resistance, and being eco-friendly. Number 5, easy of use. Make the machine simple to protect and maintain. Make controls simple and easy to understand. Reduce maintenance and ensure servicing is quick and easy. Okay. Number 6, safe. Use simple and clean safe that look modern and practical. Use simple safe that look good and work well. Avoid complicated design unless they are needed for the machine to work. Number 7, size. Keep the size appropriate for the space it will occupy. Avoid making it too big or too small. Make sure the machine fit the space properly and work well. Balance between being easy to move and staying stable if necessary. Number 8, color. Choose color that match its purposes. White for safety, neutral for clean look. Pick color that match the machine purpose. White color for safety and visibility. Neutral color for a professional and clean look. Number 9, surface finish. Use smooth surfaces to make the machine look polished and easy to clean. Use finishes that make the machine look good, last longer and stay clean. Keep surface smooth to avoid dirt build up and make cleaning easily. Okay. Number 10, user appeal. Make the design attractive to improve user satisfaction. Make the machine look good to attract user and improve its market value. Design is to be comfortable and easy to use with a focus on both style and function. Okay, thank you.